Good morning. So every Friday in the office we do a workshop, and this week it's my turn to present. This one's going to be on debriefing, and it's the last of the debriefing series. So we're going to go and do that together this afternoon. Hey, so I want to take you through one trade from today, and this was in the Bund. I thought it was quite an interesting play. On Wednesday the market squeezed, and then it reversed that squeeze yesterday on Thursday, and then value was left up here at the highs. What happened was the market opened down here near the close. It drove down quite hard with really good volume, so the initial balance was down in good volumes. Now it went straight into this POC and this kind of ledge area, so this support zone down here. And I thought, since value was so far away, this gave a really great opportunity for a fade. I might just start because I think if I just explain why, I almost don't need to show you a debrief, but I will. Anyway, okay, so the thing I think we're trying to achieve is to learn, I won't say learn, it's to improve. What that sort of means is just or to me anyway, we have this immersion and then this reflection, right? And so this is all just about being there on the day and doing your job properly. This one is all about debriefing. So when I go to my debrief, the only thing I care about is that I'm doing this in a way that gives me value next time I trade, right? Basically the structure of it is that I just have general observations I haven't written in this day, start with the market, then I'll write about the setup and put in my bigger picture charts, so daily candles. In this instance I thought the weekly profile was relevant, 30 minutes, and I'm looking at 30 minutes just because it relates to the TPOs on the profiles, and then access trade management, etc. So I'm trying just to mimic my flow of idea generation. Setup is what did I think about in the morning and what factors led me to the trade, and then the access and management is okay, how did this trade set up, and then what information was being given to me to help me manage the trade. What I just put in here is just what's relevant. I want to keep this as simple as possible, but concise as possible, I suppose, not simple. Just so it reflects what I think is important on the day.
Isaac?
Yeah.
I think what's really powerful, something that I see people struggling with in their debriefs, or I don't see it enough, is describing, he branded over here a waterfall selling once at flag highs. So he's obviously branded so he knows what a waterfall looks to him. He described how the offer looked like, and then how the bid was trading. By doing that, you're immersing that cognition. You're engaging your brain for the recognition the next time, because you're going deeper into this pattern.
So go over the main ones in the week and almost rewrite on a piece of paper what the trades are about, and then go back and see if that matches my notes, and then just kind of think about what maybe I thought that was different, and then adjust those debriefs. So the theme of the vlogs today and yesterday has been all about debriefing, and I thought you could share some of your thoughts with me. So if you've had a good week trading this week, why don't you tell me about your best trades and what gave you conviction? And if you've missed trades or made mistakes, how about you tell me what you've done and how you've learned from it? I think what's really important is that we become better traders each week, not necessarily that we're a perfect trader now. All right, I'll look out for your comments. Have a great weekend, everyone.